I watched a news report a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on a high-ranking government official of Saudi Arabia discussing a potential plan the Saudi government was considering. It was considering completely opening the visa applications so that people can perform the visitation to the holy city of Mecca, known as Umrah, all year round. Currently, the visas available are restricted to certain times in the year. Even though this is a good plan and should be carried out, what was surprising was their intention for considering this plan. As the oil prices have been dropping over the years, and the fact that the oil will eventually run out, the Saudi government is taking steps by investing in other business opportunities all over the world in order to ensure they stay rich. Even though this is not prohibited in Islam, but the thing which is surprising is that their only reason for potentially allowing pilgrims to journey to Mecca all year round was to gain more wealth. This intention, the news report made very clear. It was very surprising, as Muslims should know the very famous narration of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1. It advises that the actions of a person are judged based on their intention. If their intention behind their decision is only to gain more wealth, then they will get no reward from Allah, the Exalted. The only thing they will gain is more wealth, which will eventually slip out of their hands. But if they intended to allow pilgrims to journey to Mecca all year round for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, meaning more people would worship Allah, the Exalted, and gain countless good deeds, then they would have gained reward for their plan in both this world and in the next, as well as gain the wealth they wanted. In addition, a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 4899, advises that whoever invites someone to something good gets the same reward as the one who performed the righteous action they were invited towards. This means, if the Saudi government intended to please Allah, the Exalted, with their plan, they would have got the same reward gained by every single person who performed the visitation, meaning Umrah, simply because they invited them to perform this deed by extending the visas to all year round. Can one imagine how much reward they would get while sitting in their homes? The lesson to learn from this is simple. When one acts for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, by adhering to the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, they will gain blessings in both worlds. But if they act for the sake of the world, they might gain something from the world, but they will receive nothing in the hereafter. So it is important to think before acting, as one can potentially lose an uncountable reward just because of their bad intention. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.